n is nothing but we are having elements 1, 3, minus 1, 0 started. Okay, after 0, what is happening? You see to the left of 1, 0 is there. After 0, again it is 1, 3, minus 1. Okay, so after 0, again it is 1, 3, minus 1. Again 0, again 1, 3, minus 1. That is the meaning of dot, dot, dot. That is the meaning of dot, dot, dot. So this is the arrow mark element 1. This is the arrow mark element 1. To the left of this one, 0 is present. Okay. So if you see the sequence, to the left of 0, it is minus 1. So to the left of this minus 1, then 3, then plus 1, again 0 will come like that. Okay. So these are the elements. It is infinite series. It is infinite series. So the diagram is infinite series. If you take the time period, number of elements in this, if you take number of elements in this, only 4 elements are there and they are getting repeated. 4 elements are there, they are getting repeated. So 1, 3, minus 1, 0 are the elements and 1 is the element at origin. 1 is the element at origin. This is first sequence. This is first sequence. Okay. Now similarly, if you go on with the second sequence, you can identify what is the repetition going on. You can identify what is the repetition going on. At origin, they have put arrow mark for 2. So at origin, height is 2. Arrow mark for 2 means height is 2. To the left side, they have put 0 means at minus 1, it is 0. Okay. Left side, all elements that are negative side elements. Okay. To the right side of 2, it is 4, then 3. Okay. After 4, it is 3. This is 4, 3, then 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. So these are x-axis points 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is 0. Here 2 times 0 has come, after that they have stopped it. 2 times 0 has come, so after that they have stopped it. So this last 0 is nothing but the 0 which is before 2. Last 0 is nothing but the 0 before 2. So this x2 of n sequence is nothing but 2, 4, 3, 0, 0. After 0 from the left, if you see, after 0, it should be again 2, 4, 3, 0, 0. Again, after 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 0. Like that, the sequence will be infinite. Sequence is infinite sequence. Okay. There is some repetition going on. To the left of 2 is the element at origin. To the left of 2, 0 is present. So before this, to the left of this, one more 0 will be there. To the left of this, 3 will be there. To the left of this, 4 will be there. This is again an infinite series. Okay. So finally, the number of elements in x of 2. Finally, the number of elements in x of 2. Number of elements in x of 2 is 2, 4, 3, 0, 0 and arrow mark is for 2. This is how we understand the diagram or the infinite sequence. We understand the infinite sequence. All these are not part of the solution I told you. All these are not part of the solution I told you. And our actual solution starts here. It is a tabular method again. One sequence you write horizontal, any sequence horizontal, any sequence vertical. They have given names x1 of n, x2 of n. We have to follow the same. x1 of n horizontal, x2 of n I want to write it vertical. You can write x2 of n horizontal, x1 of n vertical also. Same answer will come. Okay. So now x1 of n, we have finalized what are the elements in x1 of n. It is 1, 3, minus 1, 0. 1, 3, minus 1, 0. x2 of n, we have finalized what are the elements in x2 of n. It is 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 0, 0. 2, 4, 3, 0, 0. Okay. So one sequence horizontal, one sequence vertical. Now multiply. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 into minus 1, 2 into 0. Next 4 into 1, 4 into 3, 4 into minus 1, 4 into 0. 3 into 1, 3 into 3, 3 into minus 1, 3 into 0. Now 0 into anything is 0. Okay. Again 0 into anything is 0. Now after finishing the table, you put cross lines and add the elements. You put cross lines. If you write it properly, only then cross lines will come without confusion. If you make zigzag in the writing, then your answer also will be zigzag. Okay. Now this is the way grouping is possible without any confusion. And now our output sequence. which is x1 of n convolution x2 of n, okay, which is sum of the elements. First element is 2, second element 4 plus 6 is 10, third element 12 plus 3 15, minus 2 is 13, then next element 9 minus 4 is 5, next element minus 3 followed by 3 zeros, okay, and you have arrow mark at 1, okay. In the final decided elements, 4 elements you have put arrow mark for the first element, 5 elements also you have put arrow mark for the first element. So answer also you put arrow mark for the first element, okay. This is how we get the output in tabular method linear convolution, okay. This is tabular method. This method is called tabular method linear convolution, and if you see the length of first sequence, how many elements are there? 4 elements. Here we have done 1 3 minus 1 0, and the length of second sequence, 5 elements are there. Now coming to the length of output, first sequence length we will consider L, second sequence length we will consider M. Formula for output sequence length is L plus M minus 1, which is nothing but 4 plus 5 minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. In the output we should have 8 elements. Okay. So this is about the tabular method, another model. Okay, what we are doing, infinite series. This is again another question. Just I will check the time. I will show you how to draw the diagram. After that we will decide. It is 40. So the thing is, find convolution between the given sequence. This is another model. Equations are given. Okay, first one we have seen tabular method, directly elements are given. Second one we have seen infinite series are there, how to do convolution using tabular method. Now this is the third one, equations are given, how to do the convolution. Okay, so it is better to have a diagrammatic representation to understand and to do it very clearly. Okay, so now if you see from the equation, it says x of n is the first signal. From the equation it says x of n is the first signal, and then it exists from 0 to plus 5. Okay, n value varies from 0 to plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height of the signal is n by 2. Okay, 0 by 2 is 0, and 1 by 2 is 0.5. And the n value, x-axis is n value, no? So 2 by 2 is 1, and 3 by 2 is 1.5, and 4 by 2 is 2, and 5 by 2 is 2.5. Okay, x-axis value is n. Every point, x-axis value is n. Every point, what you have to do, n by 2 is the height. Okay, it is given as per the equation. N by 2 is height of the signal. Okay, and this is our first sequence. So if you want as elements, what you can do, x of n is nothing but 0 at origin, followed by half, then it is 1, then it is 3 by 2, then it is 2, then 5 by 2. Okay, this is the element. These are the 6 elements present for x of n. Now coming to the second signal. If you draw the diagram for h of n, in the first sequence, for all other points height is 0. You can see it is a limited sequence. For all other points height is 0. Okay, and now for the second sequence, minus 3 to plus 3 signal exists. Okay, x-axis is n, and n exists between minus 3 to plus 3. So all the heights are 1. Okay, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3. All the heights are 1 units. Okay, all these points are heights with 1 unit. And apart from these points, height is 0. Other than this, other points height is 0. After 3, height is 0. 0 otherwise. Only from minus 3 to plus 3, height is 1. Okay, so we have drawn that height 1 from minus 3 to plus 3. Height 1 from minus 3 to plus 3. And other than these points, height is 0. So after 3, it is 0, 0, 0 up to infinite. Before minus 3 also, it is up to infinite, height is 0. Okay, so now h of n is nothing but it is having how many elements? 7 elements. Okay, 1, 1, 1, again 1, 1, 1, 1. And at origin, this is the center point at origin. To the left of origin, 3 heights are there. To the right of origin, 3 heights are there. This is about h of n signal. This is about h of n signal. Okay. Now you go with tabular method. You go with tabular method. And this is x of n, one signal horizontal. H of n, another signal vertical. Okay. 0, half, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. These are the elements. And here we are having 7 elements. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 7 elements. Okay. Now multiply this one. So it will be 1 half, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Again multiplication with 1. It is 1 half, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Same thing. We have to write it fully, only then that cross addition can be done. 2, 5 by 2. Okay. Again 0 half, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Only 4 times I completed. Fifth row, this is fifth row, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Then sixth row, 0 half, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Now my table has become zigzag. I don't know how I will get answer. 0 half, 1, 3 by 2. You have to write it spaciously so that you will not have any confusion when drawing the cross lines. Okay. Now I am going to draw the cross lines. I am going to draw the cross lines. One element, then this will be the cross, then this is the cross lines. Now this is the cross lines. Next case, this is the cross lines. While drawing, you should be doing it concentrately. Otherwise, cross lines will lead you wrong and some may go wrong. Okay, this is about the cross lines I have to draw. We'll finish this and stop. Okay, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. Here one element. So this is the cross lines. Okay. Now I will go with the final answer. So y of n is the final answer. Y of n equal to x of n convolution h of n. So the final answer, first element is 0, then 1 by 2, 3 by 2, okay. 2 plus 1 is 3, then here it is 2 plus 3 is 5, after 5 it is 3, 5, 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5, 7.5 is 15 by 2. Okay, just I will write 7.5. You know how to write it. This row I completed 7.5. 3 to 5, 7.5. This row I am writing 3, 2. Again 7.5 only. Okay, 3 to 5. So again 7.5 only. Comma. This row I completed. Now I am going with this. Again 3, 5, 7.5 only. This I completed. Next, this one it is 3, 2.5, 1.5, 4, 7. This is 7. This row I completed. Now I am going here. Okay. It is 2.5, 1.5, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, I completed this row. 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5. Okay, I completed this one. And the last one is 2.5. Okay. So the only thing is where to put the arrow mark. In the first sequence, to the left of arrow mark, number of elements is 0. In the second sequence, number of elements to the left of origin is 3 elements. Okay. So this is 3 elements. So what you have to do, this 0 plus 3 elements. 0 elements to the left and 3 elements to the left. Add these two, number of elements. 0 plus 3 is 3. So leave 3 elements and put arrow mark. Okay, this is one important point what we have discussed particularly in this problem. Okay, so we will stop here. Length of the elements, you can just check it whether it is matching. matching. Okay, we will stop.